So here is Dream by Wombo app, and like one of the popular questions is like how to use multiple prompts, multiple keywords in one image. As you can see here on example, this is probably the way to do it. So someone wants to create a picture about campfire, forest, snow, fairy lights, ultra realistic HD, snowing. So that's what you can do. Here you can see people just add one prompt. But yeah, like to add multiple prompts, I don't know if it works or no. So I can just add, like, for example, sun, and then I just add this. I don't actually know if this is really helping the algorithm or it's just better for the viewer to understand that you entered multiple prompts, because maybe algorithm understands itself that there are different words and different aspects, but of course there can be like different phrases, and maybe indeed you're helping the AI model to differentiate that these are like different words disconnected. Uh, so what else can we add here? So that's what we can try to do. So as you can see, this is sun, beach, palms, and mojito. So you can see sun in top left, beach in the bottom part, palms, and mojito. So that's basically an overview. Like mojito is a bit similar to palms, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you can try to generate again. Let's see if the prompts will be preserved. So again, you can see now another version. I honestly like previous better. So again, let's try it out. Also, if you didn't know, in this app you can add an input image, and sometimes like you can add image with one context and add search prompts with completely different context, and that also can generate some interesting results. So anyhow, this is how I would do it. Hope this is helpful.